Now, before we make any sort of a snowfall total forecast, I want to show you something here. First of all, this is Wisconsin. The system that's on the way for late today into the evening is a long way from the one that we're watching. I'm watching way out west over the Pacific. There's our low pressure system. And now over the Pacific, there aren't many data points. So we have to wait for this to get closer, get over land, and then we start getting some better data. But let's take a look at some of this data, at least kind of give you a hint of when this is going to start and slowly come to an end. This is going into Wednesday night. Here's a look at 7:30. This is one computer model. And right now it's showing that most of this, for most of us, starts on Wednesday night is snow. Now the question is going to be, how warm does it get during this event on Thursday to see that changeover to some rain? Because, of course, more rain, that means less snow. This continues into Thursday night and then the backside of the system a little bit into Friday as well. That's just the GFS model. Let's go to our European model and see what that's saying. Again, starting on Wednesday night. This is going through Thursday, but you notice even into Thursday afternoon, still keeping it a little bit colder, keeping more of this as snow for a little longer before it tries to do that mix or change over to a little bit of rain on Thursday night before changing back over to some snow on Friday for a little bit. It actually holds on to rain longer. So, you know, the amount of rain that we get in this is going to keep those snow totals down. Not only that, if we do see snow, which it's looking more and more likely, it's going to be interesting to measure because that temperature is going to be key as to it melting from below with the warm ground and from above. And if you pour that rain on it as well, it's going to melt some of that snow. Also, some gusty winds as this moves on through into Thursday and Friday. And remember, we got a long way to go. The storm is still over the Pacific, and we're going to see some tricky travel at times Wednesday night into Thursday and possibly into Friday as well. So we'll keep you updated, but it's too early to make the call on snow amounts. Now, we still have Ephraim here, parts of Door with a little bit of fog. So dense fog advisory going for you until 8 o'clock. For the rest of us, fog is not a problem. There's a Fox Valley, no fog for you. 45 degrees. It is mild out there. Now, there's our next weather maker. It gets here as we head into the late day in the evening hours. SkyCast, watch it right here. As it moves on through, just a chance of a scattered shower or possibly even a couple rumbles of thunder into the evening, but by overnight it's out of here. Now, we're not going to be too far today. I'm not saying we're going to set a record, but we're not going to be far from the record high of 71. 60s yesterday, more of those for us today. Even some of you to the south and west might hit 70. And it's mild already. You got 50 degrees in Manitowoc, 48 in Oshkosh. Again, it's going to be late today into the evening, that scattered shower or thunderstorm for a few of us. 67 today, cooling down late today along the lake. Maybe a 70 to the south and west, that chance of a scattered late afternoon thunderstorm. And if there is one tonight, it's going to come to an end. And then for tomorrow, quiet day, cooler, 50 degrees. That's still right around average. Again, most of this starts on Wednesday night into Thursday with that snow maybe changing to rain and then back over to snow. Ryan Curry, a little bit too early to make the call yet, but that's kind of the timing for you. So we're